Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ezine Williams. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. If you're new to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell to let you know whenever I post any new video. Okay guys, too much drama today. Too much drama. Yes, I cannot even hold myself. That's why I'm making a video in the middle of the night. People of God, I don't know where to start. Ozo is it Ozo and what's her name, Dorothy, or Ozo and Nengi, or Kidwire and Erica, or Lucy and Kesha, or Lucy and Praise, or too much drama. I mean, when I think of the money I paid for my DSTV subscription and I'm looking at these people right now, I'm saying, oh yes, I am getting my money's worth. But before we go into all the gist, people of God, have you heard of Isha's Herbs and Naturals? Yes, I keep singing it like a broken record because these guys are good. They have stuff for your hair. They have stuff for your, fellowshipping life. That's going to make everything, you don't need to be asking, you need an Hoyer. You don't need an Hoyer with them. They have stuff for rheumatism. They have stuff for high blood pressure. If you're having issues with maybe conceiving and stuff like that, they have stuff for that. And guess what, people of God? It's all 100% natural. No additive, no chemicals and all that. So you don't even have to, be afraid of all this, what's it called, side effects. No, because it's 100% natural from mother nature. So guys, why don't you just go check them out on their Instagram page at Isha Herbal Store, or you can actually get their number. I'll put their number in the description box so you can check them out and come back to thank me later. Okay, moving on, people of God. Let me start with Ozo and Dorothy. So Dorothy decided to have this talk with Ozo. And also, he also had a talk with Nengi. Now, Ozo and Dorothy. Dorothy made it known to him that, see, I don't want to be caught up with whatever it is that is going on between you and Nengi. I don't want to be caught up in your drama, in your life. Go sort yourself out, because put yourself in my shoes. And he could not even put himself in Dorothy's shoes. Why would you want to put me, okay, you say, okay, I'm your favorite, or what was from day one, we watch together, we do everything together, but you keep talking about somebody is your spec, and then when I pass, people are giving me the side eye and all that. Yeah, Dorothy was not hallucinating or, overreacting, because I think which housemate was like, Dorothy should not sit near, or Ozo should not be sitting near Dorothy. I heard that. So Dorothy was not crazy when she said what she said. She just told what's his name, Ozo, you have to make a choice. You've got to pick a stand. I don't have issues with what you're doing, but still you've got to make a choice. But I just feel like Dorothy, maybe she has feelings for Ozo. Ozo is, giving her mixed signals, and he's not even standing one place. He's just going from Nengi to Dorothy, from Nengi to Dorothy, calling. Oh, 1 minute he's calling Dorothy his favorite. The next minute he's calling Nengi that he fancies her. Can you imagine? I love what Dorothy told him. After Dorothy told him off and all that, he now said, oh, is this the part where I lose your number? And Dorothy was like, no, I've already blocked you. Go away, leave me alone. And from there he now went to Nengi, and Nengi was now wearing that patewi. That's what my mom calls it. She said Nengi was wearing patewi. Those kind of shorts that will not cover your bum, like your bum cheeks are still showing. Yeah, that's what Nengi was wearing. And look at Ozo smiling sheepishly and was there. Before then, he went to Eric for advice, because Eric was also part of the discussion with Dorothy in the inside. And Eric was telling him, guy, you have to come out straight. You have to understand where this girl is coming from. Maybe she has developed feeling for you. Just try to understand where she's coming from, because everybody's seeing her like she is the one coming in between your relationship with Nengi, because everybody has been breathing down Ozo's throat. Date Nengi. So finally he had the talk with Nengi. Nengi started doing, oh, and shy, oh, and this. I'm like, babe, what is this? This is the time where you get to see this guy and let him know, okay, fine, what is it you actually want from me? Like, that's what I expected her to do, just like Dorothy did, so that he can, he can sit up and know that you're a queen and you're not one to be messed around with. But she was busy doing like that, say, do you have massage or cuddling or what bill for tonight? This one was saying no, this one was saying no. Next thing he said, oh, and then he was not like, if somebody likes me, I'm shy. And that's why also was not like, who said so? I said I fancy you. There's a difference. You have to start from somewhere. You have to grow. I'm like, what is this? Shame. Her shame started shaming me. You people might not understand, but looking at it, I was just pissed. I was not pissed at Nengi though. I was ashamed, something like that. But I was pissed at Ozo. I just started seeing Ozo as a player right now. I might be wrong, but he just did as a player. I thought he was even going to get things straight. At the end of the day, he stayed with Nengi till Nengi went into her room, and he now said tomorrow that I hope everything is gonna be different and blah 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 blah. I'm like, see this one. Meanwhile, as they were talking now, we now saw somebody crying. Kidwire was there. You all know Kidwire and Erica has started, having this, I don't know, these vibes. I think that's what they call it now. These vibes, and Kidwire was there telling somebody, so I'm like, what's going on? Lo and behold, who is that? Erica was crying. Oh, I don't know what to do with my life. Oh, I'm like, Erica, just tell him already. Come and cuddle me. It's not gonna kill you. It's not gonna kill you. What is wrong with these people? This is Ultimate Love 2.0. When they brought us Ultimate Love contestants, they don't know. In fact, they are learning. They don't know what Ultimate Love is all about. These people are giving us Big Brother Ultimate Love, Big Brother Couples Edition. I'm telling you. On the other hand, we now saw Eric. I think it was Lilo that was, cautioning Eric, blah, 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 blah. Before we know what was happening, people of God, hey, we started hearing people from inside the house. What happened? I think it's about the lights, or the lights went off or something like that. People at that point, I wanted to go and sleep, but my sister called me like, isn't it? Come and see what is happening here. Me, my Procon antenna just stood up. I couldn't sleep. I could not sleep anymore, people of God. As I went there now, that was how Lucy versus Kesha. Kesha now said, old cargo. I'm like, hey, this girl can talk like this. Kesha 1, Lucy 0. Kesha was talking this one. Wait, people of God, let us step back a minute. Has Lucy ever gone to Yaba Left before? I'm not gonna tell you what Yaba Left is. If you know, you know. Has she ever gone to Yaba Left before? Because what she was doing, I'm like, hey, God, oh. Oh, it was so funny. Then Katrina was not like, because they know that nobody can fight in Big Brother's house. If it's outside, can you even do this? I'll slap you and lock you up. I'm like, you can lock somebody up and you're in this house? It just made me remember when Katrina and what's her name, Watoni, were having their ish, and Katrina was like, am I your mate? And Watoni was crying. My own is, if it's me and you tell me, am I your mate? I would just be like, mommy, neuku, nanye, I am not your mate now. You are mommy, you are nuku, you are my grandma. How can I be your mate? Then we'll start knowing who is older than who. That's what they want to know. They are forming seniority. The next thing, Lucy started talking that after all you people travel, going to university and everything, you still don't even know how to do this, do that. You can't even coordinate yourself, do what you do in the kitchen, leaving tampons in the bathroom. I'm like, what is this? Even though I think I have an idea of who left the tampon, now they're talking about periods, they're talking about things. Oh, people of God, it was a mess. Then the next thing, praise started facing Lucy, and it went all down south from there. But thank God, at the end of the day, they all went to sleep. So the drama has been crazy. This way I'm even saying it, people of God, I'm only trying to summarize because I want to go and sleep. It's past 2 a.m. in the morning and I'm making a video. Like, if somebody walks into my room now, like, they'll be like, isn't there, are you okay? What are you doing? The love for Aproko has robbed me from my sleep. For 2 consecutive nights like this, I have not really slept. It's crazy. Just because I want to bring the best Aproko for you people. Like, I could not hold myself. Ozo is pissing me off right now. I cannot even lie. Well, in their arena games, they all failed. Yeah, but at the end of the day, Nengi and Lilo, they came the farthest, so yeah, they were especially recognized, so congratulations to them. But Ozo is really pissing me off. Ozo is giving me these player vibes, and I am not liking it. Like, I like him, he was one person I really, really liked in the house, and now he's giving me this vibe as if he's a player. And Nengi is really not giving me what I want. She's just, I don't know. I don't know. Dorothy, I understand where she's coming from. If you've ever been in that situation, you would understand. So I admire her taking a stand. Tomorrow or today, as the case may be, is going to be very interesting because I want to see the dynamics of what is going to happen between Ozo, Nengi, and Dorothy. How is Ozo going to handle this? Or what is going to play out between Kesha and Lucy? Or what is going to play out between Watoni and Katrina? Will Watoni keep avoiding Katrina all this? I do not know. I just want to know what is going to happen. Will the bond with Erica and Kidwire, get stronger than this? I do not know. I still wait for that to happen. So that's it, people of God. I just came to, share this gist with you people. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. And guys, one of the ways you can support my channel is actually by watching the ads. Yes, just 30 seconds of your time. Just 30 seconds of your time. Yeah, 30 seconds times how many ads we are seeing. So yeah, it's basically not that much. You can do that much for your girl. I know you guys love me. Thank you so much, guys, for being part of my channel. If you've not already subscribed, if you've come this far and you're watching this video up to now and you've not subscribed and you are new, what are you waiting for? I'm sure you've enjoyed yourself. Kindly click on the subscription button. Click on the notification bell to let you know whenever I post any new video. Thank you so much, guys, and have yourselves a beautiful day. Bye, guys.